Happy Scrubmas Day 6. So if you guys don't know what Scrubmas is actually a spinoff of Vlogmas, which Vlogmas is when vloggers vlog every single day leading up until Christmas. But obviously I'm not a vlogger, so instead I decided to share a scrub recipe every day leading up until Christmas. And the reason why I chose scrubs is because my video on how to make scrubs for beginners is my most popular video on my channel. And also, anytime I post a scrub, they always do really well. So the fact that my scrub videos normally get the most views, that tells me that you guys want to see scrubs. So that is why I decided to do scrubs for this Scrubmas. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. Let's check the stocking to see what scrub we have in store for today. Ta-da! This is a simple, easy, minimal ingredient peach lip scrub. Technically, you only need 3 ingredients for this lip scrub, but I added a couple more just for some extra goodness, I guess. But let's just get into it so you guys can learn how to make this simple and easy lip scrub. You want to start out with a heat-safe bowl. And the first thing I'm adding in is Cera Bellina. This is like a more luxurious version of beeswax. I'll link it down below so you can read more about it. But if you don't have Cera Bellina, you could use beeswax or sunflower wax or any other kind of wax. You might get a slightly different consistency, but it's okay. And then add in an oil of choice. I did sunflower oil. And then you want to place the bowl in a water bath, fill a pan with a bit of water, and let everything melt. You want to make sure you keep it on like medium heat because you don't want the water boiling and splashing in the bowl. You can also cover it with some foil and that will help prevent water from getting in. Anyway, once everything is melted and heated, you can add in some mica powder. I purchased mine from Mad Mica. They are ethically sourced and they do a really good job at telling you what mica is safe for what part of the body. Some aren't lip safe, some aren't safe for the bath. So make sure you're using a lip scrub that is lip safe. Now you want to let it re-solidify. So just let it sit for a few hours until it solidifies and then you can mix it up. I mixed it a bit with my spatula and then gave it like a little bit of a mix with a hand mixer because it did seem to have a bit of chunks in it and I was hoping that would break it up. But there still seems to be a bit of chunks, but that doesn't end up coming through at all in the end result, so don't worry about that. Then I'm using this peach flavor oil from Makeyourown.buzz, but they're now bought out by Wholesale Supplies Plus, so check out them for some flavor oils. And then I added in some vitamin E and sugar. The vitamin E and flavor oil is optional. You don't need those. That just makes it a little bit more luxurious. And, you know, it still tastes good since it's made with sugar. You can use really any type of sugar that you prefer, but I like white granulated sugar. And now you can go ahead and jar it up in your jars. I poured mine in a piping bag to make it easier to get into the jars. Honestly, it's pretty easy to get in the jars, but it just doesn't look very good on camera. So yeah, I piped them for you guys. So it looked a little bit better. But you guys don't need to do that. That's fine. You can just put them into the jar unaesthetically. But yeah, that's the formula. It'll be down in the description box. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Also, don't forget to go over and check out my Patreon where I post 2 exclusive videos every single month. So there is a ton of videos you can go over there and binge watch. For only $5 a month, you get access to the entire backlog. And for $10 a month, you can get a shout out for your small business. So let's shout everybody out. Nature's a Farm Girl, Let's Blend LLC.com, Stardust Bath and Body over on Instagram, hempygirl.com, shoplevis.com, Owl and Lily over on Etsy, embracebeautyessentials.com, Legendary Bath and Body, Astari Apothecary, Revega Cosmetics here on YouTube, exorebb.com, Pardo Naturals, Natural State Skin, thenatureinus.ca, nearcatelier.com. You can use the code on the screen for 20% off, earthandambernaturals.com, Shark City Naturals, and the rest of these companies are launching soon. skinbydavu.com, 7th House and Oak over on Etsy, at Black Petal Beauty on Instagram, and mycrownandglowery.com. Thank you guys so much for your support. Literally without the Patreon, I would not be able to continue doing what I do. You guys literally sponsor every single video, so thank you guys so much.